Welcome to Volza's tutorial series. In this video, we're going to understand how to manage your team on Volza. Let's get started. To manage the user, click the Users option from the left panel menu. If you want to add new team members simply, click on Add Member option. Next, enter the user's name in the name field to identify the new user. Following that, enter the user's email address in the email field. Afterwards, enter the mobile number of the user followed with the country code. Select a user role from the drop-down menu for permission configuration. If you select admin, then by default, all workspace permissions are automatically granted to that user. You don't need to configure anything manually. If you select the user role as user, here you are allowed to customize the permissions. This means you can enable or disable specific permissions based on what access you want the user to have. Next up, grant the plan rights. Click on the checkbox to grant plan access for this user. Now, click the Add User button to complete adding the new user to the portal. Once the user is added to the platform, they will automatically receive an invitation email from Volza. If you notice that any user's status is showing as inactive, simply select the user. And then click the Activate button. The user will be instantly activated. If you want to temporarily restrict a user from accessing the platform, select the user. And click on the Suspend option. This will suspend the user's access until you reactivate them. In case you want to permanently remove a user from the platform, select the user first and then click on Remove Member. That's all for this session. Thank you for watching. We hope you now have a clear understanding of how to manage your team on the Volza portal. Now, if you need more in-depth training, we've got you covered. Go to the home page, locate for Schedule a walkthrough option. Select a convenient date and time for your training session. Once that's done, enter your first name and last name. Then, fill out other details like your business email. Then enter your mobile number and the topics you need assistance with. Once you have filled in all the information, click on Schedule Appointment. Woohoo, there you have it. You're all set for your detailed training session. Thank you for watching this Volza tutorial. We hope you found it helpful and are excited to explore all the features.